igama lami u-X ngizathi ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi mina amandla ami ahleze ephepheni. Yabona bangiphathele iphepha kanje uthi X nangu umuntu uyangihwagela, nangu umuntu ungithatha advantage, nangu umuntu uyangibhula. Sondela la kimi ihlale phansi ofisini. Niyekele ukuntathela indaba za ku social media. I-X report ngeke uyithole ku social media. Angikhathela umuntu uzothi hayi ngisebenza naye u-X, hayi ubhudu wami, hayi ugogo wami. Hey, ungithinde kule number lena, wafuna ukukhuluma nami one on one, amaphepha akho mawaphelele, sizoyithoma and sizoyifetha assignment officeini. Siyo ukuthi vandag sisiza bani, simsiza kanjani. Asigijimeni. Sanibonani ma.
Yebo.
Ninjani?
Ngiyaphila nje.
Igama lami ngu-Mr. X, umama ubani?
Umama Gidi Mkhemi.
Ngamsiza ngani umama Gidi?
Yeah, mina ngigane nobaba and then sayohlala kubo. Sa-Akama Room 2022. And then the first 2023 January, umama zale washona. Sasala noSkhwiza nobaba. Ubaba washona 2024. December 14. So sisale si-2 manje.
AboSkhwiza abayi-2 or wena indoda yakho?
Yimi naye.
Indoda yakho?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So uSkhwiza December ngaya ngayovisitha kusisi wami. Coming back January ikolo sizovula. uSkhwiza wa omunye u-aunty wakaSkhwiza wakandoda yami. Wathi kimi kanti waye ungakhulumisani nomntwana. Ngathi no siyakhulumisana. Mangibuya ngiqale endlini. Ngambulisa ngayenza i-compliment. So uthi nina nikhulumisana ngathi no. Angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Bese athi ayi kuzoba no meeting ngathi I can be pleased ngaleyo meeting. Then I thought meeting is going to be sooner that January. Azange ngene meeting in January. The end of January on the 25th ngahamba ngavakashela umunye sisi wami. Bangifonela ngilapho. And then ngabuya nge-27 February. Meeting uzoba nge-28. Meeting bangibuza ukuthi mina angikhulumisana nomuntu bathi lo mntwana akakhulumi because mina ngazi this. Wathi yena una 9 years abefore ngami. I'm sorry to use the word. 9 years, and 9 years I was not staying with her. 9 years mina ngingayochina kumngani wakhe eThembisa or Foslora or Alexandra. Ngathi kumngani wakhe she's a spoiled brat.
Mana so wena uchine eThembisa naseFoslora
ngicine eThembisa, sorry, eThembisa.
Okay.
Or say Alexandra ngisakhuluma. Yazi ukuthi ukhuluma into ze 9 years.
Yeah.
Wathi ngifike ngathi spoiled brat. Okay. Angithi ngilande something tangible. Ngithi how? No, I'm sorry girl. Wathi futhi kuwe kwaba neparty yakasisi wakho eLoli. Indoda yakho azange ngithengele utshwala. Kusho ukuthi it's a pillow talk. Uwe uthi angangithengele utshwala ngathi number 1 angahambanga nani. Mina ngihambe ngaya edrobheni ngayolanda cake. Ukuthi nina nibheniphethe utshwala ene ngithi if I remember quite sure indoda yami ebephethe 6 pack. Kule 6 pack ephathini uphuze 3 wanika omunye mngani wami 1 wathatha 1 kule 6 pack. Wabuya ne2 endlini. Iyazo isikhuluma ingento za usisi wami 9 years beyenza 60 years.
Namhlanje ula uthi u-X akusiza ngani?
U-X ufuna ukuthi angisize because le property lenye akhile is still new. And yeah, but ngihambe. So I don't hesitate to hamba. I want to hamba vele. Ngifuna ukuhamba nento zami, which is my roofing, my ceiling, my windows, butlers, all the things. I need them.
So i-husband yakithini yona?
Angithi ushonile.
Ushonile. Right. Asibona amaphepha uthi ngibhathelile. So manje ufuna ukukhipha ama-ceiling.
Asiphi. There, nasecourt.
So is it worth 20,000?
Almost, because angithi ibonda ngisap-counta mana amapikera ngisacount. it was 20,000.
So lapha endlini akunazinto ongazithatha ezingawo 20,000.
Ngaphakathi endlini? No.
Azikho ne?
No.
Usifunela nje wona roofing yakho
akanamali akasebenzi. So I just want to take my things.
Alright.
Need to quit.
Akuningi. Wona ithi ngishiyena namaphepha lawo mina ngiyoverifya uzokufonela back.
Asephi.
Alright ma'am. Kodwa ngizona sona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why ukwala mnyako? Why ukwala mnyako Lerato? Why?
Sure. Sesekunjani? Alright. Akuqatshana akuliwa ngisho.
Awuna mtholwani sana. Laya, ribuwe, laya.
Okay, wokucala. Alright. Manje sister angitshele ne, ngizophuza only few questions. Before ex afika, what was the problem? No, yena uthi wena wamhanetsa.
Lerato re tlo bua. O ska re ka eng o ipatile behind the door. A ke re no ba bolela gore next time ke tsamaya. Ke a tsamaya. E tlo ba jwetsa he.
So
crew ya ne bibisitsa le nna ke bitsitse crew ya ka kere.
So Lerato khona izinto amhlambe ezakabhudu wakho ezakamalume wakho lapha yana. Ezindlini. Why? Okay, wena yini lena bomhanetsa ngayo kanti? So wena uthi athathe ini? Mom, uthekini?
Lerato, I thought why afasisa because we have to talk. Acho gore why ke sentse ke tsamaya. I can make le phone it. Di bitsitswa ke nna. Ka le jotsa re Lerato o re ke tsamaya. But the problem is ke agile mo jarateng ya go ga bona Lerato. Lerato le brother hae ba ithuta. So Lerato o mpileditse panel ya bo cousin mother wa hae.
Yeah.
Ba a bua go tshware ne se ba formula this thing ya bona. Ba iqetile. Ba re Lerato a re ene nna ke sentse ke tsamaya. Because mo talk it lenga ena hasaleyo, which is my husband. So Lerato atle a tlo bua ntho tseo.
Lerato wena why wena bothi makahambe? Manje okay, what? Kusho ukuthi mase kushone umufi ubhlobo phelile.
Go tshware bo felile a ke wena you said una le 9 years o le go ka nna.
Yeah, but why manje kusomela ukuthi siyenze whatever kalula
kanjani?
kanjani?
Wawusama unso fonela batho re ke yona wa chacha. Ke chacha ke botsa ke.
Ufuna chacha or ufuna hambe or ufuna ini? Showcase. Alright mama, asiyenga uthi noma yini ku right.
Mara waya ngafuna ukuphuma.
Angazi mina yes. Mina
so uthi phela wenza ngathi mina ngikhuluma makajwana. Wayibona?
Mara ne ayina flop. Are umbonse gore wena benihlezi ukuhlezi kanjani. You can take.
Sayetsa smooth kare innocent. Yabona?
So wena mabaxoshe ukuthi ushiye yonke lento lena. So wena mawuhamba manje lana uyapi manje?
Ngiyalaba lapha bathenga ikhona emnandini. Angithi bathenga emnandini. This was my kitchen and lunch. Yeah. Yeah.
For gore la mohanetsa o tshwanetse gore yana a nne montlo.
Lerato, you chase me away. Don't fuck me wena man. Skanketsa stupid. Hey?
Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love.
Unforgiving environments demand uncompromising workwear. Dromex Evotech workwear has been developed using advanced technology to provide protection and comfort in the harshest environments. Dromex range of Evotech workwear for those who work beyond the ordinary.
Food Lovers Market is bringing you unbeatable 10-buck deals all week long. Buy chicken thigh societies at 10 Rand each. Delicious pork societies at 10 Rand each. Grapefruit, lemon, nachi or orange thrift packs for 10 Rand each. Hoiki potato thrift packs for 10 Rand each. And 410-gram cans of baked beans and tomato sauce for just 10 Rand each. Food Lovers Market, 10-buck deals now on.
One Life, hello?
Hi, this is Shanae Jacobs. My late husband had a policy with you.
I'm so sorry for your loss, Mrs. Jacobs. I'll do everything I can to assist you.
Life promises nothing but change. Support those you love with life-changing insurance. SMS LIFE to 42644 for a quote.
New season, new journeys.
What's that?
And bigger adventures than ever. Stronger battles, tougher rivals.
Use G-Max Fireball!
And the most epic moments yet. The World Coronation Series is on.
You can do it, Ash!
And this is where the real challenge begins.
You're ready? Then let's do this!
Don't miss brand new Pokemon Ultimate Journeys, Monday to Friday at 8:05 on Cartoon Network.
Dum 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 love, dum 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 love, love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love.
Why ukwala mnyako? Why ukwala mnyako Lerato? Why ukwala mnyako?
Sure. No, yena uthi wena wamuhanetsa.
Lerato, re tlo bua. O ska re ka eng o ipatile behind the door. A ke re no ba bolela gore next time ke tsamaya. Ke a tsamaya. Tla tlo ba jwetsa he.
So
Crew ya ne bibisitsa le nna ke bitsitse crew ya ka kere.
ngoba manje mina mama angi-understand ukuthi manje uthini uyabona ngoba sesakatshena manje is fine you can take
Sayetsa smooth ka re innocent. Yabona.
so wena bakuxoshe ukuthi ushiye yonke lento lena
Ngishi uyabona the way ngithatha khona. The place was beautiful. The place was so beautiful.
so manje wena njengoba bongekho la bokuhlala bani ngapha
Kuhlala nina.
ngisho before
That is new. Kuhlala nina. Ayisoke ihlala nobody.
So
It's
wena-
only 3 years this building.
so wena mawuhamba manje lana uyaphi manje
Ngiyalaba lapho bathenge khona emnandini. Angithi bathenge emnandini. Bathenge emnandini. Naye le panel lebeka ibizile abo auntie bakhe.
bathi uye emlandini
Bathenge emnandini. Cabanga mina ngiyemlandini.
ish
Uyakwazi emnandini?
ikukuphi emlandini
Yarre. Isidakana sisingathi sisibi. Isidakana nje.
so
Akusinda.
manje wena manje uthi u-ex kumele akusize ngani manje ngoba yena silently anankinga
Why angafuni ukuphuma? Ngimkhiphele into zakhe bekasikhuluma.
angisho phela manje akafuna amahlazo wakabe
Yeah.
okay sicala kuphi ke mama ke kumele ngibize u-right phela manje
Khipha roofing, wabona sebantshitse ceiling.
okay
Khipha roofing, everything
asiya
yaphuma.
ngahle
Yaphuma. Ele bedroom yakhe, wabona how big was it?
yeah it was being
This was my bathroom.
this one
Yeah.
ish
This was my kitchen and lounge.
ish
Yeah.
ah
Yeah.
okay so nala mafridge ayaphuma
Yabona umntwana yakhe lo waburukhubo red.
yeah
Watella le yena. Yeah.
alright mara manje amafridge ayaphuma lawo
Yeah, ayaphuma.
zonke izinto
Zonke izinto ziyaphuma.
so ngimbize u-right
Mbisi.
right ifridge yaphuma iroof yaphuma namazenka yaphuma
Yes.
okay mama ithi sisebenza ke manje
Yeah,
yabona
akusebenza.
yeah esawe silently yena manje akasela nkinga eish
Innocent yena. Yeah.
excel baba hitler
Say perfect.
what's it
Ujwayela
what a mood
umntwana yazi. Ujwayela
ngibone
umntwana.
kancane emotweni yeah yeah
Ngwana
yeah,
40 years.
yeah.
Ile mme omokana. Yes. Untele ngwana. Unhlanza ka raba tlotswa. Wanga phum. phonela batho. Come out. Come out.
Hello, Usman. Wauda he. Hi. I don't know.
For gore la mo hanetsa o tshwanetse gore yana a nne mo ntlong.
Lerato, you chase me away. Don't fuck me wena man. Skanketsa stupid. He? Umpeletsa ke tsamaye. So ke decide to tsamaye. So what's your problem?
It's ngikhuluma naye efonini. It's ngikhuluma Austin.
No, Lerato, I get on the matter. Na ubonika meeting, I was quiet, Lerato. Ne ke sena voice. Ka bona re ke tlo decide batho ba tla nketsetsa voice. So pra exit ke active voice ya. Na ke na matla a ulwana. O no lwana o even ulwanele bo anti ba ha wena. The way ulim Batista ka teng.
Mara sister, if you know very well which one you didn't do anything wrong or you said anything wrong, why ungaphumi usho your side of your story? Eh? Okay, ake hani rawhana. It's fine.
Yeah, my police.
Okababitsa wona is fine.
Yeah,
Mara why nomukuba? Oh. Hi.
Yeah.
Asihlale phansi. Sizomlinda.
Yeah.
Sanibonani. Noma ngawathi nisondela ngapha sizoxoxa.
Hayi abafane lana usisi.
Xoxwa ngani? Ngachopheka ngeke ngibone ke namhlanje makushonela. Mina ngokwazi kwami umuntu obizwa u-X-ray umuntu owalelwayo ukuthi athathe into zakhe. Ngenhlonipho yazi ngiyakuhlonipha kakhulu. Ngikubona ngathi izoba yinde mase sixoxeza amajwala nani. Ebalekile naye ele2X la. Understand and
Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love.
Clientele Legal will support you through those very difficult times in your life. We will be there for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We offer advice on child custody matters and uncontested divorce.
The body corporate was threatening to send the sheriff of the court. Clientele stepped in. They sorted it out for me and really fought for me.
The car you sold me has problems. I'm returning it.
Clientele Legal will support you through consumer disputes, contractual issues, and motor vehicle accidents.
After the accident, Clientele helped me a lot. I got paid out, and then I was able to fix my car.
Keep up the good work, Jenna. Feeling isolated? Call Clientele Legal and be heard. Clientele Legal will protect you against sexual harassment, bullying, and domestic abuse. Clientele's professional lawyers will protect you in civil, criminal, and labor-related matters. We provide superior legal services at an affordable price. Your legal policy gives you free access to Clientele Royalty. Get free online educational courses. Your bold benefit will ensure car issues don't get in your way. Spin for a chance to win your share of 30 million rand in prizes. Clientele Royalty, rewarding loyalty. SMS support to 43972 and we'll call you back. SMS now.
Youth Day is coming to Cartoonito, and it's a day all about you. Dance with us, sing songs, go on amazing adventures, have fun, be silly, and learn about each other. Yes! This is your day, so let's celebrate. Join us this Youth Day only on Cartoonito.
Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. 。 . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 .
Sanibonani. Noma ningawathi nisondela ngapha sizoxoxa.
Hayi abafane lana usisi. Xoxwa ngani? Ngachopheka ngeke ngibone ke namhlanje makushonela. Xoxwa ngani bro?
Usesi uyamazi ya.
Ngiyamazi squeezer squeezer one sifana ne-female thina la.
Manje isqueezer masenimxosha kabuhlungu kangaka unenzeni?
Uthe squeezer uthi sidle.
Ungasondela.
Usisi isqueezer sakhe akahlale lana.
Yeah.
Understand? Angifuni ukumfaka umuntu asayitsebeni. The only person otlamile atotsho ke Lerato.
Ngicela ukunazisa. uLerato akafuna uvela camera lokuqala. Mina ngokwazi kwami umuntu obizwa u-ex-rep umuntu owalelwayo ukuthi athathe into zakhe ahambe nazo.
So usesi yena.
Usisi ungaphandle dala thutha. Ngizwile indaba ukuthi bekathutha from weekend. Ukwazile ukukhipha izinto, wakwazi ukuthi aqoqayo. uLerato angikhumbuli kuthiwa umstopile wathi ungakhiphi lutho. And nani niyabona kho mrusu or impi la ngaphandle. Babhizi bezinto abayenzayo. Engi-interested kuyilo ukuthi uxoshwa kabuhlungu kwenzakaleni, uxoshwa kanjani, why angayikhulumi indaba. Ukutshelile wena maybe?
Ya ushilo ukuthi bathe uye kuphi konje?
Emnandini.
Ngomnandini.
Watsa wetsala nonhlanhla. December nekilisiko kivakashile ne. January when I come back, gathola call from Antua High. Are why when I Lerato le sa buisane ke re nna ha ke khutla ke kene ka montlong ka etsa compliment the day before dikolo di bulwa ka etsa compliment aba right ke dutse mo sofeng compliment le jile jwang I sharp. The next thing ke thola call fenya ke reka tlhuri tsamantsi ke thola call umpotsa re why o sa buisane le Lerato ke re ra buisane. Then why ke sa buisane le Lerato ke re nona le Lerato re shapo ra buisana. Are he Lerato go phone are wena number 1 o kile lo ha go tshwenya hae wa re ke spoiled bread. Okay fine. Wena ore seta ho chasa ha le mama lome usaka malome. Number 3 ka rwa tswekeng aksaba tlo utlwa tsangata. It's better little. Ke tlo utlwa hantle re dutse mo fatshe. They came bam phone la ke le ko Oswaka. They came ka di 28th of February meeting. Then I started bare Lerato bua. Lerato abua hore nna ona le 9 years asa batla ale before ke nna. Okay. 9 years eo o soka senkile bana le birthday. Ibile ena na paiza Arab brother waka. Abana le birthday. Ko birthday has biwaka. Aska morekela bujwana. Which is ke pillow talk. Has been ke ba morekela bujwana. Number 1 no ntantla. Next up tsamaya le bona. Ka birthday nna le organize the birthday. Ke tsamaile ka ilo lata cake. Or whatever o do. Ena o tsamile le bo le tshomisa ka vava o le omswe wa jara le the other friend yaka a re o reketse bana ba bujwala ka re never. I remember anwa ko birthday na tshwara 6 pack afa vava 1 anwa 3 a khutla ka 2 sampala re dula cancer.
Okay ngenhlonipho yazi ngiyakuhlonipha kakhulu. Ngibona ngathi izoba yinde mase sixoxeza amajwala nani ebalekile naye ele2x la. Ngi understand and wena noLerato dala nihluthana nikhulu ni throw ama jabs at each other but ngiyazi mina ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho noLerato. Nayi into engiwarishayo mamela. Manje unixoxeza ama 6 pack naye ingwarishayo.
Okay it's fine let's handle it.
Yini eyenza ukuthi uzubiza uX uthi ba baxoxe bathebumnandini.
Why is why ke latile X? Why ba itse ke tsamaye ka mole papa ro wa khetse bana ba fe. I don't know, I'm asking about that's why ke matla a tlo tshwa bana ba teng. Ase nna ke tswe ke tsamaye ka mole ho tlo dula bana wa khetse bana ba re we tshilo. So ne ke batla black and white tete hore a entse proof.
Anti-proof. Angibelieve it, auntie. That's not true. Akekho umuntu ovimba ukuthi uthuse la ekhaya uhambe. Vera, ngomvule. Hawa, kanti haphuma.
Alright, mama. Buka ngathi ke yonke into right la. Asambe siya ngaphandle, mina ngiyovala i-episode nosala nina uqhubeka nilayisha.
They know nothing. They don't stay here.
Mama, mangilalele from kulirato to wonke umuntu ongenayo. Ngoba manje u-exiseka la akasekho umuntu onenkinga nawe. So sala ke wena lana nikhiphe izinto kahle, the way nifuna ngakhona nikhiphe konke. Mina uzongithinta uma ngukuthi khona umuntu ozomala esangweni athi ungakhipha ukuthi ungenzi ukuthi then uzongifonela back. Mara kwamanje mina ngicabanga ukuthi wami umsebenzi ngophethile. Khuluma amagama akho kubonga.
Kyaleboa. By X, ninthusitsa hole because we thought lona nekesina power. Even like I meet lona banketseditse ona azange respond anything. But for you, it's a hakuthinta. Wadla umathile. I thank you so much. Very, very much. Yeah.
Sharp.
Thank you.
Uzongimela lapha yana. So Mzansi. Yake vele kwenzeka ukuthi engakafika uX kube amalanga uyothi mayifika yena kube walk in the park. So mina ngibonga uma kungukuthi akekho umuntu othi cha la ekhaya kuyadonsiswana khona ukuthi esami isipani mina ngisishayela ngoba vele mangivelile akenzeki singangena emanzini isiphume somile ngifisha emanzini ngirame emlilweni namhlanje akithoba